I'm Danny Glover, and you're watching Inspirational Sounds.
Inspirational Sounds,
where we give you inspiration,
words of encouragement
through music.
You guys have really set the tone for somebody like myself to come in and be me.
exclusive interviews,
Pastor of the Week,
a word of the week through our Youth in Motion,
and our gospel video of the week.
Oh yeah.
What's up, everybody? It's your man, Uncle Fred. You're watching Inspirational Sounds.
What's good, family? It's your brother Dietrich Haddon. You're watching Inspirational Sounds. Keep it locked for the best in gospel music and all of entertainment.